thank you all from us all sincerely. And guys, if you have watched until here, please don't forget to post some star emojis in the comments and also like the video if you want to support me. Your help is very much appreciated and it helps my channel tremendously. Thank you so much for your support every day. I am very grateful to have such an amazing community, and now let's move on to the next story. And the next one is titled, Ohio, mother-in-law wants to have my child taken away due to me being abused as a child. So guys, as you can tell by the title, a little trigger warning on this story because it is quite heavy. My mother-in-law and I have not always seen eye to eye on how to raise my son. My wife and I have been united on how to raise our kid, but she knows best. The sub raised by narcissists would fit her well. Anyways, it started 2 weeks ago when she was at our house watching our son, while the wife and I went out for dinner and a movie. Mother-in-law found a book that I've been reading about childhood abuse and how to recover from it. I was abused as a child by a daycare worker, and I've been seeing a therapist about it, and she has been wonderful in helping me. Up to this point, only 4 people know this has happened to me. My wife, mother, therapist, and my best friend. Now my mother-in-law knows and has been telling everyone on her side of the family to keep me away from their kids. Some of the family members have stated that they do not want us around anymore. Others have reached out or called us in support. It ended up being the ones we liked supported us, and the ones we did not like did not support us, so no love lost there. The past week has also been a little nightmare because the mother-in-law also called CPS to report that I might be abusing my son since I was abused myself. CPS has visited my house asking to come in. I have told them no, they cannot come in my house without a warrant and to come back when they had one. I called a lawyer that deals with this. My mom had his number from 20 years ago, story to follow. Since then, CPS has knocked on the doors of my neighbors and asked about how I was treating my son. I know this because I work from home and could see her going door to door, and one of the neighbors asked what was going on and why they were asking. I have very little faith in CPS as a teacher thought my dad was abusing me when I was younger and called them into school to do an interview. I had a black eye from wrestling practice. The CPS worker asked if my dad was abusing me, and I just started crying. She took that as an admission of guilt that I was being abused. What I could not tell them was, because I was crying, was that my dad had died 3 weeks earlier, but luckily the principal was in the room and was able to tell her that there is no way he could have done that as he is dead, and the focus then shifted to my mother. It was a long week, but we got through it and were cleared as the coach and the person that gave me the black eye had given statements. My wife and I now want to exclude the mother-in-law from ever seeing our son again, as she has breached our trust. I don't have a lot of money to pay this lawyer for a drawn-out battle with CPS. Is there a way to legally say my mother-in-law cannot and will not have access to our son if we are living or dead? Side note question, what are the odds of a prosecutor taking on a case that happened such a long time ago, 20 plus years, but within the statute of limitations in Ohio? What I have read is not really promising. Thank you in advance for your help. And a user in the comments said, with regard to limiting your mother-in-law's access to your child while you are living, cut her out. And if you reduce her relationship with you, both as well as with your children, then you are laying the foundation for someone else, in other words your parents, siblings, etc., to have a much stronger position to pull from if you and your partner both pass. In the short term, keep your kids away from mother-in-law as much as possible. Don't allow her to create any sort of relationship with them, and do your best to keep her out of your lives entirely. If you are ever tempted to forgive and forget, then read this post again to remind yourself of why you went no contact in the first place. Also, CPS have changed a lot in 20 years. If your house is neat, your kids are happy, and there's food in the refrigerator/cupboards, they are usually happy to just go on their way. One call will not make them put your kids straight into foster care. But you can also inform the CPS person that the reporter is vindictive and does not have your children's best interests at heart. If your mother-in-law tries to make further reports, she can actually get herself into serious trouble for knowingly making a false report. Wow guys, and I gotta say, this mother-in-law is absolutely out of control, and in my opinion, it is one of the worst mother-in-laws we have